Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show you step-by-step process how you can easily change keyboard language on Windows 11. So let's start. If this video will be helpful, write down below in the comments that it helped you for other people to know. You want to go to the bottom, to the search button, click on it, and then right here, control panel. Click enter. Now, when you're going to be here, you want to view by category, change to large icons. And when you're going to be here, you want to click on a keyboard. And then when you're going to click on a keyboard, you're going to have like everything here. And then like hardware. And this is where you can find settings. But what you can do is also click on the start, right click, and go to under Task Manager settings. And let's just wait here. Now, when you're gonna be here, Bluetooth and devices, timeline and language under accounts. And then you can have like language and region. And here you can like simply add language, and then on the bottom right you would find it. So keyboard layout. So yeah, thank you, have a great day, and goodbye. See ya.